Welcome to the overview of the Telecare Record Manager application. Once a user logs in to the TRM application, to create a note, they simply select a patient. Upon clicking the search button, this will search Vista for any active patient. They then highlight the patient's name, review the patient demographic information, and click on the OK button. The next screen is Demographics. This is where the user enters in the contact phone number. After entering the phone number, they simply click on Create a new Telecare record note. On the Create Notes screen, this is where the user actually creates the progress note. You will note there are 4 mandatory fields: the caller, meaning who is calling today, the caller area, caller response, and type of call. For this example, the patient is calling in with chest pain. There's another application that is incorporated into the TRM application called Veterans Health Gateway. This is a triage program where nurses can triage a patient's symptom. To launch the VHG application, the nurse simply clicks on the VHG button, logs in, and then starts their encounter. You'll note that it carries over from the TRM application the nurse's ID, nurse's name, patient social security number, patient name, their gender, and their age. The nurse then simply clicks on the Start button. They then select the chief complaint. For this example, the patient is complaining of chest pain. Once they select chest pain, they then need to import the duration of complaint. For this example, we'll use 3 hours and a pain score of 5. I'm now going to click on the Continue button and then answer yes or no from the patient for the following questions. They then put in the location, whether the patient was in agreement or not, and fill out the redirection survey. Click on Save and Preview Report. They can now review the disposition report and finalize it. The last step is to click on the Return to TRM button. You will now note that the disposition report that we just created utilizing the VHG application is now imported into the body of the progress note. The nurse can now fill out the caller response and pick an assessment. We triage for chest pain, so I'm selecting chest pain from the clinical lexicon lookup. The nurse may now put in a comment if they so desire, select which patient identifiers were used, and click on the Review and Accept Note button to create the note. The nurse then simply puts in their electronic signature and clicks on the Accept button. And the note is now created and stored as a progress note. This concludes the overview for the Telecare Record Manager application. Thank you.